Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce expenses with Progressive, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reduce expenses with Progressive, start by visiting their official website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, navigate to the quotes section. Enter your personal information, such as your name and address. Provide details about your vehicle, like the make, model, and year. Complete the form by including your driving history and any additional drivers. Review the coverage options presented. Consider adjusting your coverage levels to find a balance between protection and cost. Look for discounts that Progressive offers, such as multiple policy discounts. If applicable, select the snapshot option for potential savings based on your driving habits. Check for any available bundling options for home and auto insurance. Once satisfied, request the final quote and compare it to your current policy. Assess the savings offered by Progressive against your existing insurance provider. If the savings are significant, proceed with the purchase. Ensure you understand the terms and conditions of your new policy. Finalize your payment method and any necessary documentation. After securing your policy, monitor your usage to maintain any discounts. Regularly review your policy to ensure you stay aligned with your financial goals. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your expenses with Progressive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.